Hi, Mami Angelica. Thank you sa pag-follow. Sagutin kita. So, ako, may SSS naman. Kaso last hulog is January 2024. Tapos, ididi ko ngayon, November ngayong taon. Kaya. So, i-check natin your qualifying period muna. I'll be using SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator.com, and para kung gusto mong self-compute, pwede ka rin pumunta dito, or kung gusto mo akong sabayan. And then, for member type, pipiliin mo kung ano yung member type mo. So, let's say under voluntary kami mano. And then, normal delivery or CS delivery. And then, your EDD is November. So, kung November, show qualifying period. Ang qualifying period mo is July 2025 to June 2026. You need to have 3 months posted contribution para mag-qualify ka kay SSS. Mima, ganito, kung quarterly ka nagbabayad, try mo mag-generate from April, May, June, kung makakapag-generate ka pa. Kasi pag quarterly ka magbabayad, papasok pa siya ngayong June. So let's say babayaran mo siya on or before end of June, pasok pa siya. Pero kung halimbawa hindi ka quarterly nagbabayad or hindi ka na maka-generate ng PRN for April to let's say May, then hindi ka naaabot. Ayan. So pero try mo pa rin try mo mag-generate ng PRN. Okay, so sa mga gusto magpa-check ng kanilang SSS MatBen, comment lang your EDD and your month contribution, or for self-computation, punta lang po kayo sa SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator.com. Make sure na naka-follow din kayo. If ever you have question, then I can answer with video po. Thank you!